pa lang sa pangalan, we're going international. So, let's take a look at ano po ba ito, itong Fulgent International na ito. Ito po ay isang company na kung saan may platform po tayo. It's a business concept, no po? Isa po siyang konsepto na bukas para sa iba't ibang company at sa mga partners na magkakatulong-tulong para po palaguin ang negosyong ito. Marami pong mga company na dinadala natin yung mga produkto dahil alam naman po natin na hindi lamang po isa ang kailangan natin para po mag-sustain ng market. Di po ba? So mas marami tayong products, mas maganda. Pero ang kagandahan po nito dahil nagkakaisa po sa isang company or sa isang platform ang mga products na to na galing sa iba't ibang company. So, ang business concept niya kahit marami or multiple businesses, one system, one network structure, and one payout. So, hindi po nagkakagulo. No po, naaayos po ya. So, po siya. Okay? So, ito po ay isang business concept na ang alam po natin ay ngayon pa lang ma-roll out para magkaroon ng collaboration. Ano po? At magkakatulungan lahat partners, businesses, para magkaroon ng malawak at unlimited sources ng pagkakakitaan and as well as access to multiple products and services. So, kung may kailangan kayong ganitong produkto, meron na rin po tayo. No po? So, yun po yung konsepto na ginagalaw natin sa platform na ito. Now, bakit Fulgent International? Tingnan po nating mabuti kung ano ang ino-offer sa atin. First of all, yung binanggit natin, unique, powerful business concept na nagbibigay ng malawak na at unlimited sources of income sa mga partners. No po? So bawat isa sa atin, malaki at malawak ang opportunity ng pagkakakitaan. Number two, meron po siyang ecosystem, no? Kung saan sinusuportahan yung mga negosyo ng iba't ibang mga business people or entrepreneurs as well as the local economy. Kasi most of our products, actually lahat yata ng products natin, locally produced. At alam naman po natin na kapag locally produced yan, kababayan at bayan po natin ang ating tinutulungan. Di po ba? So yung ecosystem natin na ito pong ginagawa natin na ito ay pwede ring ma-duplicate sa iba't ibang bansa na magiging kapartner natin. Kaya nga po international na po tayo. At hindi lang po yun. Yung mga products na dadali natin sa platform, sila po ay science-based, world-class, high-quality products. Hindi natin ikakahiya kahit dalhin natin globally or internationally. No po? So yun po ang maganda. At dahil dyan, marami rin pong mai-enjoy na benefits ang mga members, di po ba? Sa mga companies na kapartner natin, magkakaroon po tayo ng mga discount. Siyempre, magbibigay sila ng mga promo, ng mga added incentives, and siyempre, lalo na, bonuses. O, ang gandang pakinggan, di ba? Bonus. Ayan. Malapit na naman kasi ang bare months. Okay? So yung mga bonus na yan, inaasahan na natin. Now, ang ating pong bonuses ay year-round, hindi po bare months lang. Okay? Kaya na maganda. And we have a very rewarding compensation plan. Maaring sa una naisip nyo lang, pag bumili ako, may discount ako. Itong product na to, very good para sa akin, kaya bibilin ko, discounted pa. But, hindi nyo alam, habang ginagamit nyo yan at nakakapag-share kayo, yung pong ating compensation plan ay designed para maging long-term business. Hindi lamang pag-share-share. Kung hindi pwede nyong gawing negosyo. Ayan. Bakit pwedeng maging negosyo? Kasi kumpleto na po ang sistema natin. Imagine, kapag partner po kayo ng Fulgent International, may e-commerce platform na kayo. Ano ba yung e-commerce? Wow, baka mamaya umorder na kayo online sa GrabFood. Hindi nyo alam, e-commerce na pala yun. O, di ba? So, yun po yun. Pag kumu-order ka na sa through the internet, no po? At nakakapasok kaya, alam niyo na 'to kasi umo-order kayo sa Lazada, sa Shopee, yan po yung e-commerce. Alam niyo ba na with Fulgent International, pwede kang maging parang Lazada or Shopee kasi yung product natin, meron kang replicated website. O, sa inyo bago yon pero marami na ang nag enjoy niyan sa atin, di ba? Ang replicated website, ibibigay mo lang yung link, no? Tapos ilalagay mo sa social media mo. Mag-post ka. Alam niyo po, ang dami nating magagandang advertisement. Sorry. Sa ating Facebook page, okay? Pwede mong i-copy-paste, lagay mo sa Facebook mo, lagay mo yung link mo. Pag nakita po nila yan at tiningnan nila yung replicated website, wow! Ando po ang write-ups ng products. Nandun din po kung magkano, paano sila o-order. Kapag nag-place sila ng order, ang company po ang magdi-deliver, hindi ikaw. Pag na-deliver ng company, sila rin ang maniningil, hindi ikaw. Okay? At ang maganda dyan, pwede silang magbayad through COD or credit card. 'Di ba, high-tech, no? Kahit sa buong Pilipinas, pwede niyong i-promote ang inyong replicated website kahit international. Kaya ang business niyo sa Fulljet, hindi pang tabi-tabi lang. Global business po yan. Okay? At hindi lang yon, napaka-conveniente pa. Kapag nakakabenta ka online, kapag nakapagbenta ka ng face-to-face, kapag nakapag-build ka ng team mo dahil nag-share ka ng benefits ng products at ng business mo, kikita ka, di ba? At yung kinita mo, napakadali lang. Pwedeng i-withdraw every Monday. Ngayon, excited ako. Monday na naman. Okay? Pag nag-withdraw ka, directly ibabayad through your bank account, or even sa iyong GCash account. Okay? Kaya napaka conveniente po para sa atin na gawin ang negosyong ito. As I have said, naka-ready ang system, naka-ready yung products, naka-ready yung partners natin. So it is a global business under one system, one structure, one payout. O, di ba? Kaya, Fulgent International ka na. Ayan. Next, ito po yung ating ecosystem. Para mas maunawaan natin at malaman natin kung saan tayo nakikinabang. Okay, meron po tayong tatlong level ng business affiliation. We have partner companies na pumapasok under the level 1 affiliation. Ano po 'yon? Ito po yung mga company na ang package, ang products nila ay nagkakaroon na ng entry packages. Pwede nyo pong, pwede kayong maging partner ng Fulgent International na ang pipiliin nyo ay yung entry package ng ibang ng company na affiliated sa Fulgent International. So, kapag level 1 partner, ibig sabihin lahat po ng product noon pwede for entry packages, pwede sa lahat ng benefits or rewards na ibinibigay ng Fulgent International. Nasa system na po or program ng FI Logistics. Okay? Clear po ba yon? Okay. Now, For level 2 affiliate companies naman, ito po yung mga products and services na kasama sa ating Unilevel, no? Yung bonus na nagbibigay na nakukuha sa Unilevel or repeat purchases. Okay? So hindi po siya kasama sa entry package, kasama siya sa mga repeat purchases natin at kikita po tayo through the Unilevel system pero nasa FI Logistics din siya. Part po siya ng program or system ng Fulgent International. Now, how about level 3? Level level 3 affiliate businesses ay products and services na for Unilevel only. Mapapasok lang po siya sa incentive ng Unilevel dahil ginagamitan po ito ng generic code. Okay? Now, paano ba yan? Ito po yung mga magiging kapartners natin na hindi na kailangang nakalagay lahat yung products nila sa ating website. Pero mapopromote din. Halimbawa po, sa isang lugar, I am a business owner. Meron po akong grocery, halimbawa. So, syempre, ang dami kong products sa grocery ko. Di po ba? At the same time, ako po ay partner ng Fulgent International. Ang pwede kong gawin para magkaroon ng advantage yung ating grocery sa ibang tindahan or sa ibang grocery, no? Kasi katulad po niyan, ano, I have to mention this. Litaw ng litaw ang mga Dali, okay? No po yan yung mga Alphamart, yan. Tabi-tabi na halos. Now, kung ako ay maliit na grocery owner lang at isa lang naman yung branch ko nandun lang sa area, kakainin ako niyan. 'Di ba? Kailangan magkaroon ako ng advantage. Ang magiging advantage ko po is this level 3 affiliation with Fulgent International. Bakit? Lalagyan ko yung benta o yung binili ng mga Fulgent members ng generic code. Okay. Now, since member ako sa area na yon, I will promote yung Fulgent International in my area. So meron po akong mga members, di ba? Or kahit na hindi ko member directly. Halimbawa, member nyo, pero nandun sa area ko. Maririnig nyo, yung palang Tets Grocery, o sabihin na natin, ay affiliate ng Fulgent International. Sasabihin mo ngayon sa mga member mo, uy, doon kayo mamili ng grocery. At humingi kayo ng generic code. O, di ba? Bakit? Anong advantage nun? For example, hindi naman kami isang network or isang team na ano ba, si Fidel. Separate siya, no? Hindi kami magkakilala. Meron siyang mga members within the area. Pag yung mga team ni Fidel ay bumili sa grocery ko, kada 300 may 5 PV, 5 CV, SV. Okay, yun po yung code, no? So kapag binigyan siya ng generic code, ika-count po yun sa benefits or rewards ng Fulgent International under Unilevel. Sige, isipin nyo si Fidel, hindi naman siya, wala naman sosyo sa ating grocery. Pero habang namimili yung members niya sa grocery ko, kumikita siya. Hindi ba maganda yun? Ganun po itong level 3. O halimbawa ikaw, meron kang spa, meron kang parlor, kada 300 o nagpa-manicure, nagpa-pedicure, naka 300, nagpakulay ng buhok, naka 300. bigyan mo ng 5 generic foods. Can you imagine? Lahat po ng pumapasok na member ng Fulgent, babalik at babalik sa'yo because of that generic code. Yun po yung isang napakagandang lumalabas na benefit under level 3 affiliation. Okay? And please, kausapin niyo po yung nag-invite sa inyo for more info about this. Para mas maunawaan niyo po, no? Sabi nga, we will have a wider, unlimited source of income sa system or platform that we are using right now. Okay? So yung po yung tatlo na level 1, 2, 3 business affiliations. Okay? Next, let's talk about this company. Sample lang po itong mga companies. No? For our level 1 and level 2 affiliates, meron na po tayo. Siyempre, Fulgent yan. Then we have Westfield Pharmaceuticals. No po, so yung mga generics na pwede nating bilhin, pwede rin po dyan. Okay? Meron po tayong Value Max, Nutraceuticals. Okay? We have a travel agency, Sunrise, no? 100 Sunrise. We have a food supplement manufacturing, Plantech, no? We have Intellicy Health and Wellness. Yan. For level 2, meron tayong Easy Shop. It's a platform, no? Kung saan makakabili tayo. We have meron, alam ko meron tayong fertilizer. Hindi ko lang po alam kung ito yung agas, no? So we have fertilizers as well. Bakit kailangan may fertilizer? Kung yung kausap nyo na kaya nyo pinuntahan, alam nyo na masakit ang tuhod, gusto nyo ma-share ng benefit ng products ng wellness natin, nalaman nyo farmer pala or mahilig magtanim. So, nalaman niya na meron yung tayong fertilizer, pwede niyo pong i-offer, di ba? So, hindi natin alam. O yung kausap niyo, mahilig palang mag-travel. So, meron po tayong partners na travel agency din. Okay? And of course, mas marami pa ang papasok under level 3 affiliate companies. Kaya mas exciting. And we are just starting. Now, let's talk about products. Alam nyo, ito po yung alam natin kung paano natin sisimulan sa ating mga kausap, di ba? And syempre, coming from Fulgent, andyan yung heart namin. No, so we are promoting our products, of course. We have the Fulgent Placenta. It's a stem cell. It's number 1 trending ngayon ng mga products because it has been proven na talaga namang nakaka-restore, rejuvenate, and repair ng ating cells ang placenta or stem cell. So with Fulgent Placenta, we have dual. Nandyan po ang coming from the deer, placenta, as well as the Swiss apple stem cell. Gusto mong bumata? O mag-Fulgent Placenta ka na. Okay. Then we have the M3 factor to boost our immune system and to give us that extra energy for vitality and performance. Okay, so ito po talaga, magka-partner kasi ang placenta at M3 factor. Pag magkasabay nyo pong iniinom niya, wow, ang lakas ninyo. No? And marami na po tayong testimony dyan. Now we have our Fulgent, H-Life, Glutathione. Isa pa rin po yan sa mga trending products ngayon. Glutathione is in demand. Hindi lamang po doon sa popularly known benefit niya na nakakaputi, nakakaganda ng balat, but it now has been proven na nakaka-cleanse. No? Yun ang major factor niya actually. Nagki-cleanse po siya ng ating organs. Dinidetoxify niya po yung ating blood. Binopromote niya po yung liver health natin. Okay? So yan po at ang difference natin sa ibang product, sa ibang gluta sa market is that we have 3 patented ingredients. Hindi nyo po makikita sa ibang glutathione sa market. Okay? We have our own patented S-acetyl glutathione, which is imothione made in France. No po, we have our ashwagandha, the best ashwagandha, anti-stress, okay? So, para wag tayo magkakulubot kapag may stress tayo. And of course, our astaxanthin, which is very high in antioxidant value. So yun po. Then we have our beverages as well. Full green barley grass drink at saka Ella Life Milk. Difference ng ating barley, walang lasang damo yan. Enhanced cucumber and lemon flavor, kaya very refreshing. And our Ella Life Milk, hindi boring na gatas ang lasa niyan. Banana flavored po yan. Sa pa, this is one thing we are proud of with these two beverages. Meron po yang NMN. Yan pong NMN is designed for longevity, pero po siyang DNA repair. Kaya yung beverages po natin, designed for beauty, merong Swiss stem cell, may glutathione, okay? May, for energy and vitality and longevity. Mamili na kayo. Either Ella milk or barley grass na full green. Okay? And of course, we have our own coffee. Ang ating coffee, 15 in 1. Hindi lang po pampagising yan. Full of nutrients po yan. Nakaka-slim pa. Basta i-take mo lang siya before meals. Okay, ayan ha. No, so very short. Talagang kailangan natin pagkasyahin at maintindihan nyo yung benefits ng products. For our skincare, we have our Full Glow 21 in 1 soap. Rejuvenating, whitening, and may anti-UV na rin po yan, moisturizing and hydrating. Kaya naman po talagang napakaraming testimony ng Full Glow 21 in 1 soap natin. It's also very good kapag meron tayong skin disease, no? Or pag maraming pimples, o kaya naman may psoriasis, may eczema, or rashes, no? Napakaganda po ng ating Full Glow 21 in 1 soap. Okay? Ayan. Now, on top of that, ito po ang sinasabi ko na nadagdagan yung products natin. Halimbawa lang, may naghahanap ng added products bukod doon sa ating Fulgent, no? Meron silang, alam mo, gusto ko talaga ng ano yung food supplement na maraming nutrients na kasama, no, bukod dyan. Oh, we have Mega 5. It's a food supplement, no, na super fruits. Ayan. So, pinagsama-sama talaga para very full of nutrition po. Okay? Then we have calcium ascorbate, vitamin C. Kasi po pwedeng marami kang tinitake pero kulang ka pala ng vitamin C. No po? So, we have here Chlorivita as well. Siyempre, since these are our affiliate products, bibigyan po natin ng opportunity yung mga partner companies natin to educate us, give special trainings about these products. No po? We have here also Gloxy Heiter drink. I think ito po yung pampatangkad, okay? Sa Gloxy, no po? And this is very good sa yung mga anak nyo na gusto nyong magkaroon pa ng extra na pagtangkad. Ito po daw ay proven. No? Marami ng testimonies din. Sayang. Sana noong pa ito nalaman. Ano, baka tumangkad pa. Anyway, no, marami rin. Meron din po tayong mga gadgets, no? Diabetic. We have Bonabon. I believe this is very good for the bones, joints, no po, ayan. So, marami pa po tayong products. Now, eto pa. Mahilig kayo sa wine? Or kailangan nyo mahilig kayo sa mga matataba or anything, kailangan yung matunaw yan. We have here healthy wine, ano? So, nandyan po yan. We have IntelliC. Ito, napakaganda. Alam ko, ito meron siyang demo, no? That you can do but to promote the product at napakaganda po. Web Expander, we're very privileged to listen to Sir John Maciat, ito po, about this expander, napakaganda po at malaki ang magiging tulong po sa atin. So once we have him as guest again, sana po makinig kayo. Marami po tayong matututunan dito sa kanyang product na ito. No, then we have Berries, Asia Peel, and the perfume. O di ba? Healthy ka na, mabango ka pa. O di ba? So ayan po yung ating perfume. And syempre, kapag ka naman tayo gusto nating masyado na tayong napapagod, no? Gusto mo namang mag-relax. Meron po tayong Tours and Transport Corporation, ano? Yung 100 Sunrise, yan. Gusto mo makapunta ng iba't ibang bansa? Ayan, meron po tayong mga package getaways. Okay? So nakikita nyo po padami yung products natin. Now, dahil magaganda po ang products natin, pag-usapan po natin ang pay plan. Because in the pay plan, nandiyan po yung incentive. O, di ba? Importante pong maintindihan natin yan. Now, let's see. To become an FI affiliate or partner, meron po tayong mga business packages. Okay? Ang maganda po dito, pagka nag-member ka, may products ka. So you will enjoy being a partner and taking the products as well. Mamimili kayo. Iba't iba po ang products, ang packages, sorry, ang packages natin. No, so I have here right now, ito po yung mga um, matataas na packages. But we have lower rate packages. Kasi ang i-discuss po natin, magko-concentrate po tayo sa premium business pack. Kasi ito po yung pinakamaganda. We are in a business platform. Tandaan po natin. We are here for business. Kaya naman, kung pipili kayo ng package na gugustuhin nyo, ayun ang pong pinaka-beneficial dapat. Okay? Now, we have the premium business pack which is 16,980. Meron po yung 500 point value, PV, and 2,000 S value. Okay, SV. So, ito po ay pwede nyong i-upgrade anytime to Advanced Business Pack. Bakit po Premium Business Pack? Marami po siyang products na kasama. May sample po tayo mamaya. Then we have the Advanced Business Pack. Kasi with this business packs, pwede mo nang ma-maximize yung incentive plan. Okay? With the Advanced Business Pack, it is 169,800. Meron kang 2,500 PV and 16,000 sales value, no? SV. So, once you purchase itong Advanced Business Pack, automatic master rank ka na. Okay? So, that's the ranking or the achieving record po ng Fulgent International. We have another package which is the Leader Business Pack at 299,800 pesos. Meron po yung point value na 3,500 and SV na 24,000. Once you purchase this, you are automatic leader rank. Okay? Automatic stockist as well. So, pwedeng bumili sa'yo yung mga members mo. Okay? So, leader pack ka, stockist ka, may mga members ka ngayon, no, na mamimili. Repeat purchases or entry packages. And once na nakabenta ka sa kanila, you enjoy the following automatic stockist discounts. You have 3% discount on business packages. Di ba? Benta ka ng package, as a stockist, may 3% ka. Then, loose products. Ibig sabihin, kapag bumili sila for repurchase, no po, for activating their accounts. You will get 7% discount. And pag may promo items sa ang company, you will still get 6% discount. O di ba? Ang ganda po ng inoffer na to. Why get these packages? You are in business, right? Because FI or Fulgent International is a business system platform yan for business. Okay? Now, so para ma-maximize mo, ito yung packages. Please talk with the person who invited you. Okay? Or go up, no? Kung sino man yung nasa line ninyo, patulong kayo para mas maunawaan nyo po, no? And once you purchase these packages, lifetime membership na po ang kasama dyan. You will have your own FI business account and portal. So marami na sa inyo ang members na, right? Nabuksan nyo na ba yung inyong mga back office? Baka naman hindi nyo pa sinisilip. Eh silipin nyo na po, no? Ayan. And you will have your members replicated website para ma-share nyo na po sa inyong social media. Okay? Yan ang kasama sa ating business packages. Now, here are some of our existing premium business packages. May choices na po kayo. So once may mga prospect na po kayo, alam nyo na kung ano yung packages na pwede nyong i-share. But we will concentrate muna for the purpose na mas madali po nating maunawaan yung benefits. Premium package ang pag-uusapan natin. Okay? Um, Premium Pack A is the Fulgent products. No po? So meron po yung isang Fulgent placenta or stem cell, one bottle of M3 factor, isang Fulgent coffee, Ella Life Milk, full grain barley, and apat na full glow soap. Ayan, di ba? So 16,980 nandiyan na po halos yung products ng Fulgent. Now, with the variation naman ng Premium Pack B, yan, ito naman po ang kasama dyan. Instead of placenta, Pack B includes 2 bottles of Fulgent H Live. So, glutathione, ano po? 1 M3 factor, 1 Fulgent coffee, 1 Ella Life milk, 1 full green barley, and 4 full glow soap. So, ang difference lang po ng A and B, sa A, placenta, sa B, 2 bottles of H Life. Okay, so alam nyo na target nyo dyan. Pagka 47 na above, pwede na po ang Pack A. Pagka naman lower or younger than 40s, Pack B. Okay? Kasi age life yan. Now, we also have the Plantech premium product. At same price ng 16,980, you have 10 Mega 5 capsules, 10 boxes, ha? And 5 boxes of insulin. Okay? So, targeted po ito, no? So, super fruits and para doon sa medyo tumataas na yung blood sugar or protection para po meron na silang kumbaga prevention na hindi sila magkaroon ng diabetes at an early age, right? Ayan. Then, alam nyo naman yung mahilig uminom pero wants to stay healthy, you can offer the DNC Premium Pack, 16,980 rand. Meron po yung 6 bottles of Milagro Vino. Now, ang Milagro Vino are wines from our natural fruits, no? So, may mangosteen wine, guyabano wine, at yan po ay safe, no? Very natural, may healthy benefits as well. So, ito po, pwede po, instead na pag meron kayong reunion or party, instead of the hard drinks, no? Napaka-healthy po ang Milagro Vino. Then, of course, we have our skincare and aesthetics ba yan? Pampaganda, pampabango. Okay? ang combination ng Full Glow Soap and CS Perfume. So 12 bottles of perfume, 15 bottles, 15 bars of Full Glow Soap. O, di ba? And we have the Unipack Premium Pack. Ito na po, combination na ng iba't ibang affiliate products. Of course, andyan ang Fulgent products. We have full grain barley. We have placenta, soap, and we have Mega 5, one box of Mega 5, one box of Insulif. We have the M3 Factor and one bottle of perfume. Okay? And more packages to come. So ilan pa lang po yan, ano, sa premium business packages natin. We also have special business packages. Yung gadget ba, mga health gadgets, wellness, no po? We have here Diabetech health machine, no? So meron ka na, ito ay 99,000 pero pagka binili mo sa labas, 120,000. No? So meron siyang ah ang sabi dito, the main cause of illnesses is hypothermia. Actually, it's coldness, no? Naiipon yung lamig sa katawan. So ito po ay tumutulong, presumably, to prevent hypothermia. Okay? So ang maganda dyan, hindi lang yung gadget, no? May kasama pang one free regular premium code. So pwedeng may mag-member, no? May free regular premium code ka, dalawang FS or free slot premium code, meron ka pang products worth 63,670. So that will be Fulgent Placenta, 5, M3 Factor, 5 at SRP price. O di ba? Kaya ang ganda po niyan. We have a premium package din from Sunrise Tours, no? Na mayroong trip to Europe. Ayan. So, plus free regular premium code plus 2 FS premium codes. No, may product ka rin. 5 placenta, 5 M3 factor at SRP. So, ang halaga, 63,670. Alam nyo, sa tour pa lang, sulit na po kayo. Okay? So, alam ko nasa 200,000 tong tour na to. Pero ang package natin is 168,968. Meron pang kasamang added products. Okay? So, ayan. So, again, for more clarification, you can call the office or talk to the person who invited you. Now, advanced business packages. So, di ba, sabi ko, pwede niyong bilhin yung ating packages. Pag advanced, automatic master lang ka, right? So, this is 169,800. So, sa package A po natin, well, we have different products included. So, we have 10 Fulgent Placenta, 10 M3 Factor, 10 Fulgent Coffee, 10 Ella Life Milk, 10 Full Green Barley, and 10 Full Glow Soap. So, Fulgent products po yan. Yung pack A, no? Then, for our pack B variation, we have, kasi yung sa A may placenta. Sa B, of course, the H Life with the other products. No po? So, we have 20 Fulgent H Life, 10 M3 Factor, 10 Fulgent Coffee boxes, then 10 Ella Life Milk, 10 full grain barley, and 40 full glow soap. Okay? So bakit po? Ito po yung talagang mahilig sa wellness or doctors din, no? Kasi kailangan may product sila available at all times. Now, we have the Plantech Advanced Pack at 169,800. Wow! 100 Mega 5 boxes and 50 Insulif boxes. Ayan. Then, sa DNC naman, yung ating Milagro Vino, we have 60 bottles para sa ating advanced pack. And sa ating Unipack, yung magkakasama lahat yung affiliate products natin, ay we have 10 Fulgent Placenta, 10 M3 Factor, 10 Mega 5 boxes, 10 full green barley juice, 10 boxes of Insuleaf, 10 full glow soap, plus 10 perfumes. Okay? So, ayan. So, ang ganda po nitong ating mga packages na to for the advanced position. Then, we have the leader business package. Ito po, Unipack na po ito. At 299,800 automatic stockist ka. Kaya you need all the products in your place. O, di ba? So, ang kasama po dito ay 16 Fulgent Placenta, 10 Fulgent H-Life, okay, glutathione, 15 M3 Factor, 10 boxes of Fulgent Coffee, 10 boxes of Ella Life Milk, 10 pouches of full green barley, 10 full glow soap, 4 or 4 bottles of Milagro Vino, 10 bottles of perfume, 10 boxes of Mega 5, and 10 boxes of insulin. So talagang may stocks ka na. Okay, ready for selling. So yan po yung ating mga business packages. Now, may mga ranks po tayo. I mentioned already the rank advanced program na pwede nyong bilhin. But you will start, kung gusto mo naman talaga, no, start ka lang, just work your way out. Then premium. Sabi ko, yun ang i-discuss natin, di ba? So the premium package, malaki na po ang advantage nyo because you will be included in the cumulative no time frame rank advance program. Again, cumulative, no time frame, rank advance program. Kapag ka ang position or ang package mo ay premium. Okay? So mag-register ka ng premium business pack. Now, you will have added benefits. Isa po sa benefits natin yung sales volume commission or pairing as premium you can have the potential to earn 20,000 pesos per day sa pairing. Okay, potential po yan. Okay, and of course, as you grow in rank, no, napopromote ka, tumataas din naman yung iyong commission potential. So understood po yun. Also in our uni level, you can have 7% sa mga point values, no? Now, from premium, you can be promoted to master rank. Okay? How? You just need to have 5 directly sponsored partners. 5 lang. And naka-accumulate ka ng 100,000 personal sales. So kasama po dyan ang sale mo sa replicated website. Face-to-face, kasama rin po dyan. And meron ka nang nag-match na 234,000 sales volume. Nag-match no po, or 117 pairs ng premium. Pag na-accumulate mo yan, yung tatlong requirements na yan, 5 direct, 100,000 personal sales, and accumulated 117 pairs of premium, you will be promoted to master rank. Okay. Then you will have an incentive, master rank incentive of a gadget worth 20,000 plus one icon pin. Okay? But you can also purchase this. Di ba sabi ko, pag bumili ka ng advanced business pack, automatic master rank ka na. So yung potential income mo per day, mama-maximize mo na. Kaya lang, take note ha, wala ka noong gadget. Okay, yan yung incentive na binibigay kung you work your way up to the position. See? Tandaan po natin yan, ha? Pero kaya mo naman yung bili na lang yung gadget. Okay? Now, the next position is the leader rank. Sa leader rank, ang requirement po natin ay 8 direct cumulative, no time frame, right? So yung 5 mo dati sa master, dadagdagan mo na lang na 3. Okay? Mahirap pa yun? Di na. Kasi kahit kailan mo mabuo, di ba? 5 na dati mo na dahil nag-master ka na, 3 na lang idinagdag mo. So that's a total of 8 direct. And of course, yun ding personal sales mo, yung na-accumulate mo, di ba may 100,000 ka na, dagdagan mo na lang na 200,000 to complete the requirement of 300,000. Again, no time frame yan, ano? Then, sa sales volume, yung pairing naman, di ba naka-accumulate ka na ng 117 pairs ng premium? Dagdagan mo na lang yun. Okay? So, pag naging total niya ay 342 pairs of premium plus yung 8 mong direct and 300,000, you will be promoted to leader rank. At syempre dahil pinaghirapan mo yan, pinagtiyagaan mo yan, may incentive ka na Asian tour worth 35,000 plus one icon t-shirt. Wow, di ba? Ang galing. Now, dahil yan ay incentive mo, naku, nakaka-excite, di ba? Or, may pera naman ako eh. Sige, bilhin ko na lang yung leader pack. Okay. Di ba may leader pack? Yan. Pwede rin nyo naman bilhin. Kasi magiging leader ka na agad. Pero, wala kang Asian tour. Kaya mo naman bilhin yun, di ba? Now, so, leader ka. But, eto na ngayon, meron kang added special bonus. Ano yun? The monthly group sales bonus. Qualified ka na doon. Monthly yan. And tumaas na rin yung potential income per day mo. 22,000 per day na. Ang pairing mo, 9% na rin sa Unilevel. So, kahit na sabihin hindi mo nakuha yung incentive dahil binili mo yung position, marami ka na ring benefits na nadagdag sa'yo. Okay? And the highest rank is the director rank. As director naman, you need 12 direct. Hindi po back to zero. Dahil may 8 ka na, dagdagan mo na lang ng 4, magiging 12 na sila. O, di ba? So, yun na yung una. Then, yung personal sales mo, yung accumulated mo, dati may 300 ka, di ba? Dagdagan mo na lang ng added 300,000, nakaipon ka ng 600,000, ayun yung second requirement. For the third requirement, yung dati mong 342 pairs ng um, partners, no? Ay dagdagan mo na lang at kapag umabot ng 657 pairs ng premium, then na-meet mo yung 3 requirements to become a director. Again, no time frame, cumulative. 'Di ba? And once na-hit mo na yan, you are qualified for the incentive that is trip to Japan or South Korea. Annyeonghaseyo. O, di ba? No po? Ayan. Or you can avail of the car plan worth 75,000 plus one icon jacket. O, di ba? Bigyan ng jacket yan. Ganyan. Then, pwede mo pa rin bilhin. Pwede mo pa rin naman bilhin itong director. So, you can purchase the business center package. Pero again, wala po yung incentive ha. Pagka binibili nyo ang position, It means kayang-kaya mong bilhin yung incentive at qualified ka na sa mga added bonuses na madali lang na na-reach mo. Kaya, yun po ang reason. Ano? Now, what are the special bonuses once you reach the director position? Of course, you will have now your monthly group sales bonus. You will have also your monthly sales volume bonus and performance bonus. Pagdating sa sales volume naman, potential income per day is now up to 24,000 per day potentially. And then 10% na ngayon yung sa uni-level privileges mo. Okay? So, klaro po ba? Yan po ang mga positions natin. Andyan po yung requirements, cumulative, no time frame, pwede mo ring bilhin, kaya lang yung incentive wala kapag ka binili mo yung position. Okay? So, clear. We go to the next. Ito naman po yung incentive once you decide to build your network. Now, for the premium package, ang incentive natin per direct referral. Okay? Ah, 1,500 pesos cash, 1,500 products worth. Imagine, nakita mo yung isang tao at pinaliwanag mo sa kanya yung ating system. Pumasok siya as premium. Ikaw, you will receive 1,500 cash and 1,500 worth of products redeemable. Not only that, dalawang premium yan, di ba? So magpe-pair po yan. Pag nag-pair yan, you will receive 2,000 pairing commission or sales volume commission. Okay, nakadalawa ka. Na-excite ka ngayon. Kayang-kaya ko pala kumuha ng premium packages makapag-refer or makakuha ng sale. Gawin mo ng apat, no? Kasi pag naging apat yan, you will have your babe. Ano yung babe? BB. O, sigat. Diba pag mahal sa'yo, ang tawagan ngayon, hi babe. Oh, ayan. So, babe or BB or builder bonus. Yan. So, gising pa ba kayo? Pag hindi yun, hindi nyo narinig yung babe ko. So, BB or builder bonus. That is 6,000 cash and 6,000 products worth redeemable. So, ang top po yan. Pag nabuo nyo yung apat, ibibigay po yan ng company. 6,000 cash, 6,000 products worth. And kapag director rank ka, may additional ka pang monthly sales volume bonus of 200 per match. Okay? Now, kung advanced ka, advanced package type naman ang naibenta mo. Kasi magaling yan. Dami mong contact na business men or mga doctors or nasa wellness, no? You're able to sell the advanced package. Kada advanced package, you will receive 15,000 cash, 15,000 products worth. Okay? Now, pag nag-pair yung advanced packages, you will receive, kasi dalawa yan, sales volume commission of 16,000 pesos kada pair ng advanced package. Hindi ka natigil sa dalawa. Dapat lang kasi gusto mong magkaroon ng BB, builder bonus. Once you complete the 4 advanced packages, nakabenta ka, you will receive additional 40,000 cash and 40,000 product points. Ay, products worth, no? Ayan, mariridim mo yan. no, in products. Yeah. Kaya ang ganda. Imagine na ito pong BB or builder bonus, no, ay napakagaling, no? Major force po yan ng ating business. What's the highest package? The leader pack. Sa leader pack naman, pag nakabenta ka niyan, gaganahan ka. Isa pa lang, you will receive 20,000 cash, 20,000 products worth. Kaya sa dami ng product worth, magiging healthy ka. Diba? Yan. So, ayan po ang ating leader pack. Kung nakakuha ka ng isa pa, dalawa sila, ay di nag-pair. You will have additional sales volume commission of 24,000 pesos. Di ba? Kaya ang ganda. Ginanahan ka ulit? Dapat lang, babe. Four will give you BB, Builder Bonus. Nakumpleto mo yung apat na leader pack. No time frame po yan. Cumulative po yan. So pag ipon mo yung apat mo, the company will give you your builder bonus equivalent to 60,000 cash plus products worth 60,000 pesos. Wow, alam nyo, dito pa lang tambak na ang product sa'yo plus you have plenty of cash. Wow. And best sales volume commission ka pa worth 24,000 pesos. Grabe po yan. Kung ikaw ay director, may added monthly sales volume bonus ka pa na 2,400. Kaya naman, exciting po itong ating network building dahil maraming incentive. Okay? Then, pag director ka na, again, wala nang fifth pair. Oh, bakit po may fifth pair yung iba? Because yun po yung safeguard ng ating marketing plan, no? So, you get the product points na pwede mo namang i-redeem. Kaya hindi ka talo. Okay, pero kung ayaw mo ng product points, bilisan mong mag-director para wala ng SVC na product points, puro cash na lang. Okay? So, ayan po ang ating network building incentives. Now, sample lang po ito. As I have said, ang magiging sample natin ay premium packages. So, summary, eto ka sa taas, you. And you are a director. Assuming na po ito, no? Kasi yon dapat positive ang tingin natin. Dapat nakikita natin, magiging director ako, i-claim ko na. Ganun lang po ang approach. Okay? So now, when you become a director and you get isang premium package sa left, isang premium package sa kanan, you will get 1,500 cash, 1,500 worth of products. You will have a sales volume commission kasi nag-pair ng 2,000. And once na ikaw ay director nga, you will have additional 200, no, kada pair. Ginawa mong apat. Ayun na, no? Yung una, dalawa lang eh. Katulad yan, ginawa mong apat. Direct mo yan, ha? Dapat. Spill over mo lang. Then you will get the builder's bonus of additional 6,000 cash and 6,000 products worth. Ano ang summary or total na kinita mo dun sa apat mong direct, no, na binild or nakuha? You will have a total of 28,400 pesos worth of cash and products. Ganun po kaganda. 16,400 cash, 12,000 worth of products. O di ba? Kaya naman, get 4. Yan. Now, next, the advanced package. Ganun din po, na-discuss na natin. Kada advanced package, you get 15,000 cash, 15,000 products. Pag nag-pair yan, 16,000 additional kasi meron ka ng 15-50 na cash, di 30. May products ka pa 30 o 60 na yan. May additional ka pa ngayon na sales volume na 16,000. May 1/6 ka pang 10% kasi director ka, di ba? Assuming pag director ka na. And dahil ginawa mong apat, nagkaroon ka ngayon ng builder's bonus. 40,000 cash, 40,000 products. Ang total na kikitain mo dyan is 135,200 cash, 100,000 products worth. Total, 234, 35,200. 235,200. Leader package, 299,000 worth. Kada leader pack na mabebenta mo, you'll get 20,000 cash, 20,000 products. Okay? Dalawa na kuha mo, dahil director ka, you will receive 24,000 sales volume commission. Nag-pair siya. Meron ka pang additional na 2,400, the 10% of the sales volume commission dahil director ka. Eh, ginawa mong apat. Pag naging apat yung leader package na yan, you will receive additional builder's bonus of 60,000 cash, 60,000 products. Ang total na kitain mo sa apat, 192,800 pesos cash, 142, 140,000 products worth, a total of 332,800 pesos in cash and products. Okay, kaya kailangan talaga alamin niyo po ito ng gusto. Now, this is an assumption. Halimbawa naman, hindi mo hinabol yung apat na apat. Sabi namin, apat dapat. Pero dala-dalawa lang. Okay lang yan. Relax ka lang. Ito ang potential kitain mo ha. Since director ka halimbawa, kumuha ka ng dalawa na partners. Okay, premium package to. Dalawa direct mo on your first month. So nag-pairing ka ng 2,000. Yun ang sales volume income mo. Then, dahil director ka, may 10% ka pa, 200. So ang total mo ay 2,200. Okay? On your second month, hindi ka na kumuha ng dalawa. Pero tinuruan mo yung dalawa ng duplication system. Ito po nakakalimutan natin. Ito po ang haligi ng ating system. Duplication. See? Dalawa lang kinuha mo. Turuan mo silang kumuha rin ng dalawa. Let's guide them. Pag nakakuha sila ng dalawa, on your second month, dahil may tigda-dalawa sila, may apat ka na tao sa second level. Yung apat na yun, dalawang pares po yun. So, 2 times 2,000 na pairing bonus, you will receive 4,000. May 10% ka, di ba? As director, you will now earn 4,400 on the second month. Hindi ka kumuha ng bago, nag-spend ka ng time na turuan yung dalawa mo na kumuha ng dalawa. Then, yung dalawa, kailangan i-duplicate ka, turuan din niya. Yung dalawa, maaring hindi rin sila kumuha ng dalawa. Pero tuturuan nila yung tigda dalawa nila. So, on the third month, you will have 8 people. 'Di ba? Kasi nagturo na sila. And that will be 4 pairs. Times 2,000, you will now earn in sales volume commission 8,000 pesos. Not bad. May 800 ka, 10%. So, ang kita mo on the third month is 8,800. Ilan ang tao mo? Dalawa. Ilan ang tinuruan mo? Dalawa. At yung dalawa na yon, tinuruan nila yung nakuha nilang dalawa, na kumuha rin ng tagda-dalawa at magturo ng tigda-dalawa. You know what? After a year, kung hindi not bad, kumikita ka ng 2,000, 4,400, 8,800. On the third month, that will be 17,600. Malaki-laki na po yan. And after a year, 12 months po yan, you have earned a potential of 3,500,200. Dala-dalawa, turuan mo lang mag-duplicate. Hindi ka pa nakaapat dapat. Dalawa-dalawa, dua, dua. Okay? So, ayan. No? 3,500,200. Yan ang potential income mo. Matagal po akong naging manager ng isang company, American company. Before ako nag-retire, hindi ko po kinita yan sa isang taon. Pero kayod kabayo po ako. Okay? So yan, this is a potential income in 1 year. Tulungan lang po. Now, so be sure to talk to the person who invited you. Then we have promos. Ito po maganda. Napakasipag magbigay ng mga promo ang ating company. Parang tuwang-tuwa silang bigyan tayo ng ikakatuwa. Okay, ganito po yan. Meron po tayong time frame, ha? So it has been running. Nag-start na po ito July 5 and it will end August 5. First is the Get Extra on Get for Builder Bonus. So meron na tayong builder bonus. 'Di ba? Then we will get extra sa promo na ito. Now, running July 5 to August 5. Kapag nakakuha ka ng apat na leader packages, tandaan po natin, apat na leader package. So, ang regular po niyan, meron ka bawat isa na 60,000 cash, 60,000 products. Tama? Pag nabuo mo yan hanggang August 5, you will get extra 40,000 pesos. Wow! Palakpakan nyo naman yan. Pa-emoji naman kayo dyan para alam kong gising pa kayo, ha? Okay. Then, pagka naman, apat na advance packages ang nakuha mo, on top of the 40,000 cash and 40,000 products na builder bonus, you will get additional you will get additional 20,000 cash bonus. Nakita ko yung heart, thank you. So, 20,000 cash bonus. Ayan, no? So, on top po yun ng 40,000 cash and 40,000 products. Para sa premium packages, kayang-kaya yan. Okay? You will get on top of the 6,000 cash and 6,000 product, you will get extra 4,000 cash bonus. Okay. Classic packages. Ay, hindi natin didiscuss yan. Pero yan po yung mga more affordable packages. Yan, kausapin niyo po yung nag-invite sa inyo. Kasi ito yung mga, kung medyo limited pa yung budget natin ngayon, pero gusto nating maging part na agad ng Fulgent International, you can join using this packages. So we have the classic packages where you will earn, pag nakaapat ka 3,000 cash and 3,000 products worth. And with this promo, you will get additional 2,000 sa promo na to. Pagka naman starter packages, so ayan, where pag nakaapat ka, you will earn 1,500 cash and 1,500 products. You will get on top of that additional 1,000 cash bonus. Basta nakumpleto niyo po yung apat nyo up to August 5. So ayan yung Get Extra on Get 4. Para sa akin, apat dapat, babe. Okay. Then let's go sa Fulgent International Kick-Off Promos. Ito, exciting din. Gusto mo ng kotse? Okay. Nagbibigay po ang company from July 5, ang promo na to October 5. Matagal-tagal pa kaya planuhin nyo na at unawain ng gusto. 200,000 down payment for car plan incentive. Ano po ang gagawin nyo? Within this time, you will create an FB page for F1 business. Okay? Ayan. So ito po, maggagawa ka ng page for business. Okay? Hindi sales ha. Ibig sabihin, ang ibebenta or ipopromote mo sa page na ito ay packages. Pag naka-accumulate ka ng at least 6.5 million assorted sales in these 3 months, tatlo, ayan, tatlo, 3 months sa grupo mo, then you will have and must have 4 directly sponsored paid accounts. Ayan ang kailangan. Accumulated 6.5 million sales, no redundancy. Ibig sabihin, walang nakapareho dun sa, ano mo sa group mo. And may 4 kang directly sponsored paid accounts in 3 months. Ito pong ah, promo period. Okay? So, start creating your FB page and promote the packages. Okay? Now, dito naman sa baba, trip to Vietnam. 3 days, 2 nights, inclusive of airfare and hotel. Promo period, July 5 to September 5. Take note ha. Yung pong car plan, up to October 5. Itong trip to Vietnam is up to September 5. Okay, anong gagawin? Create an FB page for F1, FI products. Okay? Fulgent International Product Sales po ito on products. Kailangan ikaw meron kang accumulated na personal sales of at least 395,000 sa iyong Fulgent International accounts in 60 days. 60 days. Wow. So habulin niyo po ito ha. Gusto niyong makarating ng Vietnam. Okay? So yan po ang mga promo. Talk to the person who invited you. Magplano po kayo. Patulong po kayo kasi they are your sponsors. Okay? Now let's go back. Wow, nasa promo na tayo. Ito pa po ang nasa ating pay plan or incentive. Pag mahilig ka magbenta, you have your retail profit or outright discount. Okay? So we have 3 prices. Meron kang SRP. Alam na natin yan. Pag customer, ibigay mo yung SRP price kasi you're here for business. Nagbebenta ka. Okay? Now, if you promote your website, that's the e-com price, which is malaki ang difference. Sa 30 to 33% difference from SRP. So for example, our Fulgent Placenta, SRP is 10,235. Sa iyong replicated website, maaring naka-e-com price yan, 6,880. But as a distributor, you get it at a much lower price. Okay? Distributor price for the Fulgent Placenta is 5,380. So may difference. 'Di ba? Yung replicated website price or e-com price na 6,880, mayroong 1,500 difference sa distributor's price. What will happen? Yung pong 1,500 is what we call the retail profit. Yung retail profit, ibabalik sa'yo ng company sa back office mo. Yan, makikita mo yan. And you can withdraw that weekly. Okay? So alam nyo na, ang difference ng e-com price at distributor price ay what we call retail profit. Yon ang difference. Siyempre, alam na natin ang SRP. So pag nagbebenta ka sa replicated website mo, hindi ka lugi. Okay. Sa barley, ang retail profit mo, even with Ella milk, is 100 pesos per pouch. sa ating sample na full glow premium soap, 80 pesos ang retail profit. Okay? Now, you will see that sa back office mo. Okay? Now, we have the group sales bonus. Ito naman po yung uni-level. Ano po ang pinapanggali? Ito po yung you will get from 5 to 10% of the purchased value, PV, ng products. Okay? Depending on your rank. Now, saan nanggagaling yung PV points? Entry packages and repeat purchases. Again, pagka nakabenta ka ng package, dahil may nag-member sa'yo, may point value. And kapag bumili ka or nakabenta ka sa yung website or direct selling, then repeat purchase po yun, may point value. Okay? Now, para ka mag-qualify dito, you must be active. So may monthly product maintenance po tayo. Okay? Depende sa rank. Okay? So from premium, you need 250 PV. Okay? So ibig sabihin yan, 5 sabon. Ganun lang po kagaang, ha? Yan ang premium rank. Para sa master rank, 350 PV. Pwedeng, ha? Ayan, basta magkano-halo. Meron pong barley na 50 PV. So 100 PV, pag bumili ka ng isang barley, isang ela. O, di ba, 100 na yan. Bumili ka ngayon ng sabon na worth 250 PV. 5. O, di, tapos na ang iyong maintenance. Yun lang. And then, or, nga pala, isang bote ng M3 Factor. Ayan, 250 PV na po yun. And for leader rank, 400 PV naman. Director rank, 500 PV. Okay? So, hindi po mahirap i-maintain ng active status yung ating pong mga ranks. Okay? Now, for example, ito po ang illustration ng group sales bonus. Director rank ka. Assuming po ito So you will get 10% of the PV. Pag-usapan po muna natin yung entry packages. Okay? 10% ka of the entry packages. So for example, ang na-accumulate na points mo ay 500 PV sa first level. Meaning may 4 ka na partners na nagpasok ng membership na nakaipon ng 500 PV. You will earn 10%. Okay? Mali ito. Wait, ganito po. 500 PV each. So kung apat yan, apat yan, 2,000 PV. 10% of that will be 200. Ayun. Okay, so kada member nagpasok ng 500 PV. So you have 4 on your first level. So meron ka 2,000. Kaya 10% yan, you will earn 200. Clear? Ayan. So assuming ganun din po ang second level, by the power of 4, apat na apat, nag-accumulate, tigpa 500 din. By that time, you will have 8,000. Diba? Accumulated PV. 10% is 800. O ganun na, pabilisin natin. Tiga apat up to the 12th generation. 12 levels, ha? Meron po yung compression. Kaya kung may hindi namili sa 9th level mo, akyat po ang 10th level mo sa 9. Yung 13th level mo, akyat sa 12. Walang bunyi. So, potential income mo sa N3 packages is 26,077,800. Wow! Ito ba ay monthly? Yes! Monthly po ito. Now, of course, hindi naman pare-pareho ang pasok ng packages. This is lang kung nakaka 500 points from every member. Pwedeng mababa. Paano kung tumaas? O, di ba, mas maganda. So, yan po ang entry packages. Let's talk about the repeat purchases. Remember, may maintenance. So, malamang, you will get this sa maintenance. For every master rank, ang requirement natin, 250 PV. Isa po yung bote ng H-Life or M3 factor. Right? Now, kung bawat isa bumibili, per level mo, tiga-apat, power of 4. So sa first level mo, may apat, times 250, 1,000. Dahil director ka, you get 10%, you will earn 100. Clear? Yung apat na yon sa first level mo, by the power of 4, may tiga-apat sa second level. Okay? That will be 4,000 at 250 PB each. Maintenance pa lang po pinag-uusapan natin, ha? So you will earn 400. Paano ngayon? Kung ito ang team mo up to the 12th generation, lahat nagmi-maintain ng 250 PV. Regular po yan, hindi katulad ng entry packages. No? Regular 250 PV, alam mo monthly, ang potential income mo, 13,038,900. Excited ka na ba? Ganun po kaganda itong ating uni level. Kaya akala nyo medyo ito ay mabagal? No. Pag na-establish nyo ang group nyo, everybody maintaining their accounts active, 250 PB each, hindi lang po 13 million. Kaya look forward to this. Now, you have your monthly group sales bonus. Bakit? Leader ka na eh. Di ba? Once you achieve the leader rank, you are now qualified for this. Ibig sabihin, 10% ng iyong total group sales bonus during the month. Eto na, kailangan active ang account mo. So, bantayan mo na yung last day ng previous calendar and first day of the new calendar month. Kasi diyan po nagko-compute ang system natin. So, kailangan mga 29 pa lang, active na ang account mo up to the next 29 or 28 of the next month. Ganon ha. Huwag niyo pong pabayaan yan. Kasi kung hindi, sayang. Then we have the performance bonus for director rank. 1% on every sale of entry packages. Total po ito company-wide, international. Okay? 1% ng entry packages, 10% on every encoded PV sa mga repeat purchases, no? Yung mga maintenance natin, mga binibenta natin. Yan po ay pagsasama-samahin and for 3 months. Quarterly kasi to. Okay? 3 months po yan na pagsasama-samahin. Kaya malaking amount yan. Okay? So it will be equally divided to active qualifiers. So keep your account active. Okay. So ito po ay kukumputin from the last day of the third month of the quarter. Yung total. No? For example, sa March. Kasi January, February, March. Di ba? Third, first quarter. April, May, June, second quarter. July, August, September, third quarter. October, November, December is the fourth quarter. Okay? So, ayun po yun. Pero kailangan qualified ka, meaning active ang account mo. Okay? So, ayan po ang ating marketing plan. Now here, kasi nga ang gusto ng FoodJet, magkaroon ng opportunity lahat. So we have our lower ranks, lower packages, no po? Para lang ma-focus tayo kanina sa benefits na maganda, mas maximized, kaya tayo nag-concentrate sa premium. But here we have starter business pack at 4,680. Meron din po yung 125 PV and 500 SB. Remember, you can upgrade to any higher package anytime. Kasi kailangan premium ka eh. Para ka qualify sa rank advance program. So kung kinuha mo ay starter business pack, then you have to upgrade, okay, sa premium pack, okay? Pero ang benefit niya, you will have the potential to earn 5,000 pesos per day sa sales volume commission pag starter ka, and Classic has 10,000 potential income per day sa sales volume commission. Of course, may 5% pa rin ang starter sa ating uni-level at 6% naman for Classic. Okay. Now, sa payout, sa builder bonus, no? Yung get four or apat dapat or just for you paid. Okay. Classic Business Pack, 8,980. Ito pa rin yung classic. Hindi ko na sabi kanina. With 250 PV and 1,000 SB. Pag nakaapat ka sa starter, apat na starter, ang yung direct referral you will get 400 pesos cash, 400 products. Pag nag-pair yan, may 500 pairing ka. And kapag nakaapat ka, you will have additional 1,500 cash and 1,500 products worth na builder bonus. Yung classic package naman, kapag nakapag-sale ka ng isa, you will get 800 cash and 800 product worth as a sales commission, direct referral, and a pairing of 1,000 and a builder bonus of 3,000 cash and 3,000 products. So wala pong talo kahit lower rank po na ang pasukin mo. Be sure to talk to the person who invited you para ma-maximize mo lang lahat ng benefits na ino-offer natin. Okay, so we have here hindi ko na po 'to isa-isahin. Initial products lang. If you want to take a shot, a picture of this, pwede nyo pong screenshot, picturean. Ayan. Okay? Nandyan po yung ating mga prices. SRP, e-com price, retail price, distributor's price, and PV. Okay? Now, that's all, folks. Pero remember, full jet means shining brightly. Kaya naman, kahit international tayo, together, we shine. Okay? So thank you so much po for staying with me